Good morning, students of class 10th. In previous classes, we have completed. Sorry, the mic is not connected. Now, good morning, students of class 10th. Good morning to all of you. So, in previous classes, we have covered how to find mean, median, and mode of a class distribution or given class interval. Today is our last class related to this data. So we will cover all the concepts of statistics at class 10th level. This will be a conclusive and last video for this particular topic, statistics. So students, in statistics, we basically collect or make record of a data, and on study level we find mean, median, and mode of any given data. So mean is nothing but the average of a data. Similarly, median is nothing but midterm of a data, and mode is most frequent, which has maximum frequency. Mode is most frequent data. Mean, median, and mode. So the mean can be found out by using direct method. As I have told you, in direct method we use sigma fx upon sigma f. Sigma fx upon sigma f means sum of the terms divided by number of the terms. In case of deviation method, when we find deviation from each and every data, in case of deviation method, the formula for finding the mean is given by a plus sigma fd upon sigma f. A is assumed mean, a is assumed mean, and sigma fd upon sigma f is the result of arithmetic mean by deviation method. In case of median, for finding the midterm of a data, we use cumulative frequency concept. After finding cumulative frequency, we find n upon 2, and the result of n upon 2 lies in which CF. After that, we use formula median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. Median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H, where you should make proper notes of these formulas also, where L is lower limit, and total number of terms, CF is the cumulative frequency of preceding median class. Cumulative frequency of preceding median class. Cumulative frequency of preceding median class and frequency the frequency of same class. Frequency is of the median class and H is class size. H is class size, upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. Now you should make note of this formula, how to find the median of a data. So after finding mean and median, or after knowing about the mean and median of a data, we will discuss the concept or formula for finding the mode. So as you know that mode is most frequent digit of a frequency distribution. Mode is most frequent. The mode the formula for model class can be find out easily. The class which has maximum frequency is called model class. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into class sign H where L is the lower limit of model class, L is lower limit of model class. F0 is frequency of preceding class. F0 is frequency of preceding class. F1 is frequency of model class, and F2 is frequency of succeeding class. F0 is frequency of preceding class, F1 is frequency of model class, and F2 is frequency of succeeding class. Now H is always class size. Now we may take one example for finding mean, median and mode of that data. So I have already discussed in previous video several examples we have taken. You should try by your notebook by your textbook the previous year questions which have already asked in board examination. So just write down one example. Find the mean, median and mode. Find the mean, median and mode of given frequency distribution. Class interval is from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. And their respective frequencies are 12, 8, 7, 3, 11, and 9. 12, 8, 7, 3, 11, and 9. CI means class interval and frequency. So the students, for finding mean, first we find mid value, that is upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. So we will calculate x, that is also called mid value or class mark of a given class interval. Upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. 0 plus 10 upon 2 is 5. In second column we have 10 plus 20, 10 plus 20, 30, 30 upon 2, 50. The difference will be of 10, 25, 35, 45 and 55. Now, in direct method, we take f into x in calculation, while in assumed mean method, let us consider a out of x, and after that we find deviation d, that is given by x minus a, 5 minus 25 minus 20, 15 minus 25 minus 10, 0, 35 minus 25, 10, 20, 30. After finding deviation, we calculate f into d. F into d. F into d is minus 240, minus 80, 0, 30, 220, 270. These are the values of f into d. Now we are aware that after calculating sigma ft, mean will be available. But for finding median, we should calculate cumulative frequency, and for finding mode, we need only model class. So the highest frequency is of 12. The highest frequency is of 12. So 12 will be the model class in this particular problem. So we will calculate mean and mode up, and using empirical formula we will find median. So 240 and 80 is 320, 320, 220, 320, 220 minus 100 remaining, 300, 200. Sigma ft is 200. Sigma of this data is plus 200. Plus 200. And sigma f, sum of the terms, sigma f 20, 10, 30 and 20, 50. The total sum of terms is 50. 27, 30, 41, 50. So for mean, we will use in assumed mean method a plus sigma ft upon sigma f. A is 25, sigma ft is 200 upon sigma f is 50. 25 plus 4 is 29. So mean is 29. And mode, what will be the mode? 0 to 10 is our model class. 0 to 10 is our model class. Students, in this particular problem we have problem that there is no class preceding model class. Hence, we will not be able to find the mode of this data. So you have to find the median. The concept is not working that f0, f1, f2 are the frequencies of preceding class and succeeding class. We don't have preceding class before 0 to 10. So we will find median. For median we need CF, cumulative frequency CF. CF 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 7 27, 27 plus 3 30, 30 plus 11 41, 41 plus 9 50. So these values are of cumulative frequency CF. After finding CF, we calculate n upon 2, that is total number of terms, upon 2, 25. 25 lies in 27. So 20 to 30th median class. 20 to 30th median class. Median class. Median will be L plus 20 plus n upon 2, 25 minus CF of preceding class. CF of preceding class is 20 upon F of the same class. F of the same class is 7. CF upon F into H, class size is 10. So median will be 20 plus 5. 5 into 10 is 50. 50 upon 7. 20 plus 7 times 49, 1 remaining, 7 1 7. The median is 27.1. Mean is 29 and median is 27.1. So by using empirical formula, we can find the mode. By using empirical relationship, empirical formula, we can find the value of mode. You see, mode is given by 3 median minus 2 median. Mode is given by 3 median minus 2 mean. Just calculate it. Put the values of median and mean. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So median is 27.1. Median is 27.1 and mean is 29. Mean is 29. 27 3 times 81. 81.3 minus 29 2 times 58. 58. The answer is 23.3. 23.3. The mode of this data will be 23.3. So just write down it and try similar type of problems from your textbook. Thank you very much for watching this video.